This part of the road right up ahead is my favorite part. The trees all come across and make kind of a tree tunnel. It's just so pretty. You got your classic Vermont maple sugar farm over here, the stone wall, and it's very pretty. My name is Harmony, and this is my motorcycle. I'm just gonna do a quick video, I guess, and show you guys my favorite ride, which is one of my only rides, really. I don't ride very much. I'm pretty new to it. I've had this motorcycle for about 2 months, and I was very inexperienced when I got it. I put about 300 miles on it, which isn't a lot, but I've been taking it to work now and then when the weather's nice, which has been fun. But we have a really short riding season here in Vermont, so I'm gonna have to put it away for the winter pretty soon, probably. I will show you a few things about my motorcycle. I didn't really choose to get any of the additional features. I kind of regret not getting the book rack on the back or some kind of saddlebags or something, but as long as I have my backpack with me all the time, it's not so bad. I did add my own little Vermont sticker next to the Indiana one. And back here, I made a little Spotify code. I'm not sure if that'll work on your phones, but if you scan it with Spotify, it plays Fat Bottom Girls. So that's kind of awesome. I don't really know what else to say about it, except for it's awesome. I love it. I've gotten a lot more confident on it. Let's go for a ride, I guess. Okay, it looks like maybe we're recording. Let's see, which way should we go? Let's go this way. Just gonna go for a little ride around my town. Huge bug just hit me in the helmet. Alright. I live in Vermont, so every town is a farm town. So I'll probably see rolling acres of corn and soybeans and whatever. My buddy's dad used to own this farm. Somebody new bought it, turned it into a butcher shop. There's all their little cows. Actually, they're pretty big cows, most of them. Some of them are little. State speed limit in Vermont is 50, and I have a hard time going that fast. But I'm gonna try, because there's someone behind me. Hi, cows! So hopefully this is actually recording my voice here. I've tried to take this video like 3 or 4 times now, and there's always been something wrong. The first time I just forgot to plug it in at all. The second time I thought I had everything hooked up, but there was no sound. So hopefully this time it's all working. If not, then I'm just gonna send in a silent video. You guys can make it like an old silent movie, play some ragtime piano music interspersed with some words like, egad, she's a horrible motorcycle rider. Nah, I'm not that bad anymore. Still not great though. I'm getting the hang of it. To get out and enjoy one of the final nice weather days we're probably gonna have. Winter's definitely coming soon. We've only got maybe 4 or 5 good months of good riding weather here in Vermont. we've got about 6 months of winter, a couple months of mud season. So really try to take advantage of days like this when I can. We're gonna go on a little loop, I think. I live on a dirt road. It's about 6 miles long. We just came off of one end of it. I'm gonna go onto the other end of it and all the way down so you guys can see my whole road. It's very pretty and very gravelly, which is a little sketchy sometimes, but I just take it slow and it's not too bad. You can smell the wildflowers. I noticed on the videos that Janus has been posting, there's a lot of straight roads in Indiana. I'm not sure there's any straight roads in Vermont. They're all pretty curvy and up and down and all over the place. But that makes for a fun ride. This is my road we'll be turning onto here. In front of this motorcycle who is also turning onto my road. I have the right of way. Whee! A little bumpy, a little gravelly. Already seen some of the leaves have started to change color. We've had a couple of red and orange ones in our driveway, which is really sad. Autumn is beautiful, but man, summer is just too short. This little farm up here usually has some really cute little baby cows. Oh, there's one sticking his little head out right now. Hey, buddy. Oh, and if we had smell-o-vision, you could smell the pigs. Be thankful you don't have smell-o-vision. It's a little sketchy riding on the gravel sometimes, especially right after they grade the road or put down fresh gravel. But most of the time it's not too bad. In mud season it's completely impassable for a motorcycle. It's hard to drive a car down this road without it getting stuck in the springtime. This part of the road right up ahead is my favorite part. The trees all come across and make kind of a tree tunnel. It's just so pretty. You got your classic Vermont maple sugar farm over here, the stone wall, and it's very pretty. We'll go all the way to the end of the road and then maybe down into the little town. I live in a very small town. We don't even have a stoplight. We just have a town hall and a library and a general store. That's pretty much it. A lot of dirt roads. Oh, did you see the chipmunk? Now we're gonna go down the hill. It's a really steep hill up here. Hence the name Osgood Hill Road. As long as there's not any the washboarding on it, we should be fine. Pretty sure I saw an alien over in those woods one time. Go nice and slow. Nobody's coming up the hill, that's good. So this is where I started my little video. Totally paused. Alright. Just gonna go up here, around the little town square. End my ride there, I guess. Some interesting yard art for you. Oh, there's another piece of interesting yard art in Westford. I don't think I want to drive all the way to it right now, but there's a man who was trying to expand his business, like the footprint of the building, and the town zoning board or the DRB or something wouldn't let him do it. So he commissioned someone to carve a gigantic wooden middle finger that he placed up on like a 20-foot pole in his front yard. It's huge and hilarious. And then the town tried to make him take that down, and he said he was going to, but that was a couple of years ago, and it's still there. And apparently Kid Rock found out about the middle finger and had one commissioned for himself. So now there's two of them, one in Westford and one at Kid Rock's house, wherever that is. Whoop. So this is my little town. I'm in the wrong gear. There we go. We have a little country store. Good place to get creamies. Watch out for this lady in her car. I guess I'll just go this way. Yeah, creamies. Do you know what a creamy is? It's basically soft serve ice cream with a higher fat content. One of the best things about summertime in Vermont. So yeah, that's it. This is my town. That was my ride. Thanks for watching. Bye.